cook some chicken livers. Here are the chicken livers. The chicken livers are very good for you from the standpoint they only have like 1 carb per 4 ounces of liver. It definitely has a lot of vitamin A, vitamin C, and iron. And 4 ounces of raw chicken liver give you 19 grams of protein, which is very good. So take a look at it. So it can fit into the low carb if you want it to. I cleaned my liver, chicken liver, and I cut it up in small pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt and pepper to it. Mix up the salt and pepper. Mix it up. I'm gonna let it sit just for about 5 minutes while I'm doing something else. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fry the liver. Okay. I have 2 eggs in the bag here, and I have placed 1 cup of almond flour in this batter. Now, if you're not keto, just start off with 1 cup of flour, and do the same thing I'm doing here for the keto one. So I'm gonna fry these up. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the fryer on. I got them in the egg mixture. Now I'm gonna place them in the almond flour. The chicken liver is already coated, so just waiting on the fryer to place it in the fryer. I'm gonna try a few of them without any coating on them and see how they turn out. It should turn out fine without any coating at all on them. So let's see. Okay, this is what I lipped them with to put them in the fryer. Okay, I just took everything out of my little fryer there, and here are the chicken livers. So I haven't tasted them. Let me taste a little piece of it. I'm sure they're gonna be good. They are very good. Very good. They are very tasty, well seasoned. Just by adding that salt and pepper on them a few minutes, about 5 minutes before you place them in the fryer. You can taste the seasoning throughout the chicken liver. You have to excuse me, I'm still kind of smacking on that one. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.